Thing. Blog Defender. Easy WordPress security without compromise. My main goal with Blog Defender was to create a simple website security solution that doesn't need constant attention and is affordable, while providing as good or better protection than any other premium product or paid service offered anywhere. Securing your money sites has never been easier. Download the plugins, follow the step-by-step training, then secure your sites in minutes. Passive income plus total security has never been easier. Secure all your WP sites for a low one-time investment. Scroll down to secure your website. Blog Defender will lock down your money sites so you'll never have to worry again. And with this update, we've included complete developer rights. Security specialists regularly charge $500 per month or more per client for much less. Consider how valuable this service will be to your clients. 100% peace of mind for them, and hundreds of dollars, recurring, straight to your PayPal each and every month. Remember, this is not an upgrade, it's included with your access today. How does Blog Defender lock down my websites? We've left absolutely nothing to chance. The software starts with the four most vulnerable points of attack for any WP site. Protects against hosting and PC malware. Protects against hackers trying to compromise themes. Protects against password and direct attacks. Protects against plugin vulnerability. That's just for starters. Blog Defender goes many steps further. Hides your WP version, stopping most hackers in their tracks. Turns off username broadcasting, cutting a hacker's chance to attack your site in half. Disables directory indexing, so hackers can't access your uploaded files to launch an attack. Masks theme exposure and plugin signatures, shutting down most potential exploits. Blog Defender is like having a triple kryptonite lock on your best bike. Hackers have many ways to attack your site. Blog Defender slams the door in their face. Blog Defender will protect your sites, and your clients' sites, in the following ways: hosting security advocacy, plugin security audits, theme security audits, anti-brute force security, anti-cross-site scripting, MISC database security. Nefarious traffic blocking, hiding WordPress telltales, anti-comment spam, file and link monitoring, active known offender blocking, automating core updates, WP security audit, plus use on unlimited sites. Passive income plus total security has never been easier. Secure all your WP sites before it's too late. RRP $67 cost for 2022 launch. You don't even need to know how it works, it just does. An estimated $1 trillion of intellectual property stolen. Once hacked, it's too easy for attackers to share your paid products on Black Hat and torrent sites. Some product creators have had this happen even before they launched their product. All that work, and potential profit, gone. Blacklisted by the search engines. The long-term damage to your online reputation can be devastating. Set and forget WordPress security in minutes. Blog Defender is the most advanced, all-in-one WP site security system available today. It protects against all kinds of hackers, bots and data miners, and is now faster and easier to have up and running than ever before. Secure your sites and client sites in a matter of minutes. Here's how Blog Defender is going to secure your most valuable assets. At the core of the system are 3 plugins that once activated will work 24/7 in the background, protecting your sites. Click the link below to get Blog Defender. Step-by-step video training to lock down any WP sites. 8 no fluff, to the point videos walk you through the process of securing your sites and those of your clients. Video Module 1. Preparation. Hosting, Local security and installing plugins. Video Module 2. Backup WordPress. Choose backup locations, run first backup, schedule future backups. Video Module 3. Security plugin setup. Initial setup, whitelist IP, global settings, system tweaks. Video Module 4. Scan WP for malware. Scan with word fence, get your virus total API key, cleaning infected files. Schedule scanning, file change detection. Video Module 5. Hide WordPress. Hide login area, change admin user, change content directory. Change database prefix, WordPress tweaks. Video Module 6. Defend WP with a firewall. 404 detection, banned users, user logging. Brute force protection, automatically ban admin users. 9 additional video tutorials show you how to manage your sites and those of your clients, making sure they stay healthy, active, fast and free from problems, as well as how to deal with common problems like plugin conflicts and more. This entire security package is included and completed with a WP Security PDF as a handy extra resource. Your business deserves to be protected. Funny how we'll lock up something that costs money, but not take the same care with assets that actually pay us. Not many would leave their car unlocked in a busy downtown parking lot. But leaving a money site completely unprotected? That's like leaving bags of money in the open trunk of an unlocked car in the busiest parking lot on the planet. Relax knowing your sites are secured with Blog Defender. Focus on building your business and profits. Knowing your sites are protected and the plugins are working 24/7 to keep you safe from attack. Add a new income stream by selling site security as a service with the included developer rights license. 26 million out of 36 million self-hosted WP sites run little or no security. These sites are easy targets. Don't be one of them. Protect yourself and your financial future by securing your Blog Defender license today. Sounds great, Matt, but will Blog Defender work for me? It most certainly will. In fact, I guarantee it. The Blog Defender 100% unconditional, ironclad, 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not happy with the product within 30 days of your investment, you're entitled to our 100% money-back guarantee. No quibbles, no buts, no bad feeling. But I'm not stopping there. Configure the plugins and follow the simple instructions, and you'll start getting real-time feedback on the number of attacks Blog Defender has prevented. If this doesn't happen, if you don't feel your sites are secure, or if you don't see the potential in offering site security as a paid service, just contact our support desk and we'll gladly refund your small investment. Blog Defender 2022 Special Local Agency Edition Bonuses. WordPress security is a massive and ongoing problem for local businesses. They've generally struggled to get a site up and running, and now they need to work out how to secure it and their client data as well. Most are more than happy to get someone else to take care of it for them. That's where you come in. Blog Defender shows you exactly how to secure your clients' sites and gives you the premium plugins to do it with. But that's not all. Number 1, you get our local business security blog post article for you to use on your local agency site. Number 2, and you get our unbranded local business site security checklist that you can use as a lead generation giveaway. Give them the steps they need to go through to secure their site. Then offer to do it all for them by simply adding your page link. Get your Blog Defender 2022 Agency Edition bonuses today. Scroll down and hit the buy button now.